Thanks a lot for so much of learning. So Python is something which I was not aware of a lot. Though I am going to take a workshop in my school also still, because if you have some knowledge beforehand, then it helps. And
Right.
this is something which I was quite curious to learn. Python is something because I know many languages, but this is something which was I was lagging in.
It was a really good session, engaging also, and we really learned a lot from you and Sahil. So thanks a lot for this.
This is Prerna. Yeah, so it was a very good, informative session, and I think I learned a lot in these 4 days. Like because I'm, currently teaching Python to already several kids, like basics of Python, and I just wanted to get the introduction to AI part, so which I got from these sessions, and it was really good. So I'm looking forward to learn more and implement these, so that the students can learn more from me.
Thanks a lot for inviting us to join in this course. It really gave a nice preview of the product and the interfaces as well as Python. I did Python long time back just for my numbers in degree. So I have forgotten everything. You brought back those memories back, and I came to know a few new things which has been added. And it's like learning again and again the same thing in a new format. And I'm interested now. You had created interest for me to learn the Python once again, so that I can teach the students and also can innovate the things to meet our students' respected interest, to build those things onto them. It's a very nice thing to have all this program made. Your packaging was good. The way you were teaching, and Sahil also, which was good. You are a bit fast since I know the time was cramped. This requires a lot of time because few people, including me, are new to it. We have got hell lot of questions, and most of the questions are answered. Few of them, including mine also, were just novice one. But yes, that was what was expected of it. At the end, I would say that this has created an interest for me as well as for the others to learn Python as well as AI and the robotics. So you had given us a new directions to work along and build something new with your product and support. Thanks a lot. Let's see what happens in the final day before we wind up. And I believe others will also have comments to say. But for me, it's appreciable. It's very good. You people are very energetic and keep on the good work. And we are ready to learn as much as we can. Whatever at our age, we can do it. As much our head can take it. But you are doing really preferably very good job. Very nice one.
I'm also new to programming, especially Python. Python, understanding the language. The very first day I was highly confused. I didn't know where to start from. And then you are fast also. And also I'm at work. So battling between the lecture and the work was very tedious, even right now as I speak. But it is a very interesting thing to learn this thing, Python and AI robotics. I mean, it's something that I must pursue to the end. I'm even determined to go and take up a Python lesson and training somewhere else, so I'll be able to understand what Avishkaar is trying to teach us. Also, we need to go out there and teach our kids how to use this in well. And the only way to do it is to understand the subject and the nitty-gritty of what are teaching us. Thank you very much. You've tried, and I know this is not the end. We will continue to share there and communicate with you wherever I have issues. As we learn, I will be communicating with you for better understanding. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I'm Tulsi Gautam from Meerut, from India, and I learned many things from this training, and the content was very nice, especially from the robotics session, and I'm very happy with this training. Thank you.
My name is Dream Betristi Taltala, and I have attended the 4-day teacher bootcamp of the Avishkaar, and I must say that my attendance in this bootcamp is very fruitful, as I have learned a lot of their platform and their robotics kits and their Python and AI. And I hope that I'll be able to share this knowledge that I have learned to the future.